rain, wind. Half cup of granola at the moment, and a little bit of rain. We've had a downpour in Wangaratta. So now we're heading our way to Hovell Dam. You saw the spillway, the spillage. Now we're up at the dam. That's the spillage over there. Tea at Moyhu, and then we went to Hovell Dam. I am very close to the shed wall. Oh, I don't like to look at this weather. Yes, very stormy, very windy. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Monday, 23rd of November. And what have we got today? This morning, we've got rain, wind. And this wind is really going flat out. And I did hear a siren. I don't know whether it's a fire siren or an ambulance. And also my light, the power almost went off. Flicker. Oh, hear the thunder. But yeah. Hope it doesn't get too bad. Yeah. Okay. Stand back. This wind is going to take everything. Might even be me. Last. Oh, look at that. Oh. I've got my cameras, all my camera, photography bag. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Saturday. It's 21st of November. Yes, and this month is going very fast. So what am I doing today? Yes, I'm actually doing some film. I'm doing a bit of filming for my music channel today. So I'm going to the railway station. Yes, down to the railway station to do the filming of a song I wrote called The Good Old Trains. It's all about the trains of yesteryear in Wangaratta. And so it's going to be hot. So we'll get it over done with. And but this won't be uploaded for maybe about a week or two. We'll see. There's a lot of back shots to do. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, hope you're having a great day. I hope you enjoyed your week too as well. Of course, it's weekend. Yippee! And it's really, the days are really getting hot. Really up. Getting up to high 30s now in degrees Celsius. So this will probably be up in the 90s. In the Fahrenheit, I think. Hot. Anyway. Oh, hello. Welcome to Smoothie Trev. Smoothie. Yeah, we're going to make a smoothie, not a milkshake. I mentioned last time that we were going to do some smoothies. So here it is. So we'll give the milkshakes away for a while, and because I've ran out of flavours to make. I've done all the flavours, so we're going to do some smoothies. Hey, a bit of a healthy, yeah. Strawberry granola breakfast smoothie. Yeah, have this for breakfast. Pretty good, eh? So, what do we need? Is milk. Whoops. Measuring cups, measuring spoons, and of course a blender, cream. Yeah, could have a bit of cream with that. And some frozen raspberries. You can use strawberries if you want to, but I'm going to use raspberries. It doesn't matter. And granola, nut and berry superfoods. Granola. It has 3 nuts, 4 seeds, 5 fruits, 5 spices. It's vegan. And sugar and a banana. All you Americans over there, you say banana, bananas, banana, bananas. I say bananas. Bananas, bananas. Okay, let's get to it. What do we need? Milk. One cup of milk. 1 cup? Yeah, 1 cup. And also a bit of ice cream as well. 1 scoop of ice cream. Or 2 if you want to make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, so we're going to put that into the blender. 1 cup. And frozen strawberries. We need about a cup of that. Frozen strawberries. Or raspberries. These are raspberries, sorry. It doesn't matter. You can use raspberries. Or strawberries. They're all berries, aren't they? Yeah. Put that in there. Chuck that in there. There we go. And 1 banana. Doesn't have to be frozen, this banana, so this has been out of the fridge for a while. I don't like bananas in the fridge. The reason is that they go hard. I like bananas that are soft. Yeah. I've got to get a knife. Found me knife. I'm just going to slice it up, just to make it easier to blend. I like bananas when they're soft. So if you keep them out of the fridge for a while, they're nice and soft. And they're easier to mix in your milkshakes. So if you put them in the fridge or freezer, well, freeze fine, but they tend to go hard, these bananas. I don't like hard bananas. Now, what else do we need? Half cup of granola. Half cup of that. About a half cup. That looks good. Look at all the bits and pieces in it. All you vegans, you're saying, oh yeah. Okay, now we've got that way. Sugar. Gotta have sugar. How much sugar do we need? 1.5 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using raw sugar. You can use any sugar really. I'm a sort of a raw sugar fanatic. Goes in there. And I'm making a mess on the table. 1.5 teaspoon. Just put a little bit of this. And vanilla. Yeah, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, can never get the top of this. This is the best one I like. Queen Finest Vanilla. Just a half a teaspoon. But that's better. Otherwise it gets pretty strong if you get too much of it. And well, that's about it. Now we're going to blend it. Now we've blended the smoothie. Oh, dropped the little thing in there. I forgot to tell you about the ice cream. Yes, I eventually put the ice cream in, so you forgot that one. So I put about 2 scoops of ice cream. So here we go, it's all blended, and it's thick, nice and thick, yeah. I'm just going to put a little bit of cream in there. I know someone out there saying, a little bit of cream? Need more than a little bit of cream. Yes, that looks good. So, time for a taste test. It's been a very hot day today. Yeah, very hot. Oh. It's quite good. Quite nice. Quite, this is a good one for the morning. For breakfast. Yeah. It's got some goodness in it. So there you have it. The strawberry granola breakfast smoothie. With Smoothie Trev. Cheers. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yes. And of course, I do this once a month. So I shall see you next month in December. Make you a Christmas edition smoothie. Yeah. See you then. 2, 3. Me, Trev. Welcome. Where am I? Moyhu. Town of Moyhu. That's where I am with Peter. We're having a cup of coffee at a coffee shop. Yeah, we've never been here before, but we're just chilling out. It's called, what's it called? Nita Cafe. Nita Cafe. Thank you, Nita. Yes. So, a bit of rain, a bit of very sultry at the moment, and a little bit of rain. We've had a downpour in Granola. So what have I got? Chai latte and a muffin. Yeah. So
running now.
What's Peter got? He's got something. Yeah, it's raining. Won't be that bad really. It's warm. If it does rain, we might have to get up on the deck. Yeah. Moyhu Hotel. The old bank. Main street of Moyhu. The coffee shop, Nita Cafe, where we went. Yep. So now we're heading our way to Hovell Dam. That's where we're going. Yeah, been there a few times. We've got a Carl Schultz reserve. Yep. Okay. See you down the track. See you at the dam. Well, here we go. Lots of water coming down the spillway. William Hovell Dam. Here we go. Cool. Look at that. Oh yeah. Right, I'm here at William Hovell Dam. You saw the spillway, the spillage. Now we're up at the dam. That's the spillage over there. That's where all that water is going down. Yeah, it was spectacular. Hey, let's have a look, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Nice and calm. I'd love to be able to get a kayak or something, or a canoe, and just merrily row along. We've been coming here for years. We used to do a lot of fishing and swimming too. Been a very popular spot for fishing. I hope you enjoyed that nice footage of William Hovell Dam. Very picturesque. It is, everything's so calm, nice and calm. Yeah, it's just beautiful. Really, people come down here to fish. People come here to swim. Yeah. So it's very quiet here today. A lot of people fishing and picnicking over the other side there somewhere. There's more people over there, but that's alright. That's the aquatic area. So yeah, very beautiful. Of course, that's the spillage where the water goes down. Isn't that beautiful? Lots of bracken fern. Yeah. Lots of bush in the background. Of course, there's up there in the mountains there. It's quite rugged, really. A lot of four-wheel drive tracks. Mainly four-wheel drive vehicles. It is rugged. So it'll take you up to Mount Cobbler's Hut. Yeah, it's all mountain country. People go up there deer shooting. People go up there just for bush tracking. Yeah. I took you up there years ago. Remember there was a footage of me on the bike. I rode my bike up there. Well, it was hot and dusty. Remember that? I was really hot, and there was a dead scene. There was a footage of me playing dead. You might remember that sometime. That was going back a few years ago. So I don't think I'll be doing that today. Yeah. No. Anyway, we're going to head back now. Head back home. We might just get an ice cream on the way back at Cheshunt, a little town called Cheshunt. Yeah. Just arrived back in Wangaratta. Now I just called into Big W, Big Woolworths, waiting for my brother. He wanted to go and do a little bit of shopping in there, so before I take him back home to the nursing home. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog. We had a great day. It was a lovely afternoon. I mean, we had an afternoon tea at Moyhu, and then we went to Hovell Dam. That was a great afternoon. It was a good drive. Not so hot. It's cooled down a little bit, which is just nice, really. Quite humid, but it's just nice. Nice and cloudy. Struck a little bit, a few little showers. That's about it. So anyway, I shall see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Blue skies. Oh dear. Okay. Gotta get this car in. And I've got to back up because I am very close to the shed wall. Very close. Look how close that is. think I just missed it by that much. Okay, let's straighten up. Oh yeah. That's better. A little bit of room. Don't knock my bike over, Trev. It's over there. I know it's dark. Needs all going, alright? That's good. Just put my car in. I got a day off tomorrow. Yeah, day off. I was actually supposed to take a client to Benalla, or from Benalla to Albury, but that's been cancelled. That was supposed to be for tomorrow. So, yeah. So that was cancelled. So I've got a day off tomorrow. Yeah, so it's good. So now my car, this week of course, on Thursday, I've got to get my car serviced. This car was due for a service, loop service, since July this year. And I haven't actually had it serviced. And it's been running so well. So it's such a beautiful, great car, Commodore, the Holden Commodore. And that even though you're pretty well months overdue for a service, it's still running just as good. Yeah, so yes, it does need a service, really. So that's going to be this week. A bit dark. So yeah, and I've got to get these locks on the doors fixed. This lock, there's a bit of a key. It's a bit dark. I know. Let's get out of the shed. A bit more light. Yeah. These locks, and my key won't work on these locks. So I can only do it by electronic key. But I'm a bit worried, because if I lock my key in the car, I wouldn't be able to get in. Or even with the key lock, if the battery goes flat and I can't unlock the car, my key won't unlock the car. So I'm going to might have to change those lock drums, sort of thing. You know, I'll see what they can do, and they'll probably take a couple of weeks before I do that. It'll be very costly. So we've had 20 mils of rain since it started, so we've had a good decent rain. We've had a lot of it, and yeah. Oh, it's all sunshining. Hey. Yesterday, even this morning, we've had a big downpour of rain, and a lot of wind. Copped it out at Yarrawonga way area, which is about 45-minute drive from here, between here and Yarrawonga. I'm not too sure exactly where in Yarrawonga. Some storm damage, a lot of trees taken over, fell over, sort of thing. Roofs taken off, and also down in Melbourne, and I think parts of Mildura copped a lot of damage. So it's a wind and storm that we had to have, I guess. I guess we'll call it the late spring storm. Is that it? So we're rolling on summer. Yes, so we're in the last week of spring, actually. So now it's coming on to summer. Days are getting warmer. It's getting hotter. And I think this Saturday they're tipping to be around about 42 degrees. 42 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot. And I think that's about 100 and something, well over 100 degrees in Fahrenheit. Making you guys in America feel hot. But anyway, I'm going to finish this vlog and get this uploaded. And of course, last Saturday I did my music clip of the train music clip, the good old train. So that won't be uploaded for another few weeks. So I'm still working on the back shots, yeah, to do that. So and I must apologise, I haven't really been putting any music on my music channel lately. So life gets in the way, you know. So I'm sure I'll try and put something up this weekend anyway. So and look for the good old trains later on. Probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks, we'll see. Because I still got a lot of research to do on back shots. Yeah, it's going to be a good clip. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I shall see you next Monday. Enjoy it. Enjoy your week. Create Harmony Pie. Of course, this Friday is Black Friday. Black Friday. Okay. Create Harmony. Peace. Bye. You never know what I'll get up to next.